Discuss remaining portion of this exercise related to questions of method substitution. As you know, we are discussing what? Pair of linear equation in two variables. How can find out the value of two variable x and y? So one method is substitution methods. So here, this is what third part of this question. What the coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. So from here you can understand what you have to do. You have to fix, you have to take the price of these let. The price of bat rupees x. Let the price of bat meaning one bat. Let the price of ball rupees y. Now, according to situation, we can say, according to question, we can say, what 7 bats, what's the price of 7 bats? 7x. What's the price of 6 ball? If price of one ball is rupees y, 6y is equal to how much? 3,800. Similarly, price of 3 bats plus 5 ball, this. So this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2. So what we can do from equation number 2 or first from, which is easy for you, equation 2, we get, what we get? Y equal to 1750 minus 3x by what? 5. I think able to solve, no problem. Now, what's putting the value of y in what first you can say in first second what it may be. So 7x plus 6 into this 750 minus 3x by 5 is equal to 3,800. Yes or no? What's it become? 35x plus this 6 into 1750 minus 18x is equal to 3800. Understood? So how much left? How much left? This is 35x. This is what? So finding out, what's finding out? 35 minus 18x is equal to 3,800. What's coming? Minus 0. This. Yes or no? Here 3,800 into 5 minus 1750 into 6. Taking in this side, bring in this side, how much left? 17x. 17x is equal to, if you can multiply 0, 0, 0, I think in this. Yes or no? Minus 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 33, 45, 4, this. So 17x is equal to how much left? This 19,000, 10,500. So how much? 8,500 left here. So how much this is equal to x is equal to 8500 by 70 rupees 500. Understood? Now putting the value of x is equal to 500 in first, we can say again 7 into 500, understood or not, is equal to plus 6y is equal to 38. So 6y is equal to 3800 minus 3500. So 6y is equal to how much? 300. So this implies y equal to 300 by 6, rupees 50. So x is equal to how much? 500. Y is equal to how much? 50. So price of bat is rupees 500 and price of ball is rupees 50. Got it? Simple calculation. Next, the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charges together with the charges for the distance covered. It's meaning fixed charges plus charges per kilometer. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charges paid is what? Rupees 105. And for the journey of 15 kilometers, the charges paid is how much? 155. So what? You can start it. Let the fixed charges. Fixed charges how much? Rupees x. Let the charges per kilometer. Per kilometer, what's rupees by? One person's covering distance how much? 10 kilometers. First, if you are able to prepare a linear equation into a algebraic expression, you can express, then able to show. So total distance how much? Total distance 10 kilometers. How much taking? 105 rupees taking. So this is equal to 105. Fixed charges is x plus 10 kilometers is equal to this. This is your equation number 1. In second case, saying distance how much? X plus 15y is equal to how much? 155. This is your equation number 2. This is your equation number 2. What is the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? How much does a person to pay for a traveling of distance 25 kilometers? First, we can find out the x and y value. X value fixed charges, y value per kilometer charges. So next page taking. So this we can take. What's the equation? Equation is this: x plus 10y is equal to x plus 15y is equal to 155, and this is, I think, this. This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Once we can check, to check, right? Understood? So from which equation? Equation number 1, we get what we get? X is equal to 105 minus 10y. Then what? Same process. Putting the value of x equal to 105 minus 10y in equation number 2. If able to prepare algebraic expression, then easily able to show. So x is 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. So if you can operate these two, so what's coming? 5 of plus, and it's 105. 55 minus 105. How much left? 50. So what's, sorry, y equal to 50 by 5. How much? Rupees 10. So it's meaning per kilometer charges how much? Rupees 10. Now putting the value of y equal to rupees 10 in second, we get what we get? Look one time. X plus 15 into 10 is equal to 155. So what's it's become? X plus 150 is equal to 155. So X is equal to 155 minus 150, rupees 5. So what's your fixed charges? So here you can write fixed charges rupees 5. Charges per kilometer rupees 50, 10, sorry. And at last what saying? Saying like this, how much charges, how much does a person have to pay to traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? So saying like this, if a person traveling distance 25 kilometer, how much paid by him? According to our question, fixed charges is X and distance per kilometer charges Y. This we have to find out. So X is equal to 5 plus 25 into 10. So how much? 5 plus 250. So how much? 255. So that person paying how much? Rupees 255. Understood? All of you? Only this you have to understand. How, what you understand? So what's given? This you have consistent fixed charges. You have to first let these together with the charges for a distance covered. So two types of charges. So you have to let the fixed charges is rupees X and the charges per kilometer are these. So I think able to show this in this way. This exercise completed. One more question left, sorry. Last question of last part of this question we can say. So it's saying a fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So if we are able to prepare algebraic expression, we have to assume these. Let numerator of the fraction what? X. Let denominator of the fraction is what? Y. Now what? According to question what saying? If 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, a fraction become 9 by 11. So it's become 9 by 11. What's it's become? 9 by 11 when adding 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So this is your equation number 1. Equation number 1. So what's it's become? This become 11 into X plus 2 is equal to 9 into Y plus 2. Got or not? So what's it's become? 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus what? 18. So what we can say? 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. Simplified it. Second condition, if 3 is added to both, 3 added, then you can write x plus 3, y plus 3. So it's become what? 5 by 6. So what's it's become? Cross multiplication. 6 x plus 3 is equal to 5 y plus 3. In this way, what's it's become? 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So in this way, how can we write 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18 minus 3. This is equation number 2. After this, what you have to apply? Substitution method. What you have to apply? Substitution method. It's meaning you have to solve. So how can you solve from equation number 2? From equation 2, what's it become? X is equal to minus 3 plus 5y by 6. Able to solve? You can solve it. Then putting the value, what's it? Putting the value of x is equal to minus 3 plus 5y by 6 in what? First equation number first, we get. What you get? It is like this. So which is your equation? This you can take. Watch. 11 into minus 3 plus 5y by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So what's it's become? Minus 33 plus 55y minus 54y equal to what? Minus 24. So what's its meaning? If you can operate these, y, what's left? Y. 55 minus 53, 4 is equal to minus 24 plus 33. It's meaning what's coming? Y equal to 9. What's coming? Y equal to 9. Now putting the value of y where? In first. So what's it's become? First is this. So first is this 11 x minus 9 into 9 is equal to minus 4. Understood? So 11 x is equal to minus 4 plus 81. So 11x is equal to 77. This implies x is equal to 77 by 11. So how much? 7. So what's the value of x? 7. What's the value of y? 9. You want to verify it, so you can verify in this way. In this way meaning, this is, which one is the numerator? This. Denominator is this. So fraction is 7 by 9. And when adding what? 2 in both sides. So what's it's become? 9 by 11. So where given? So look one time. And when adding 3, then what's it's become? You can take 10 by, what's it's become? 10 by 12. 10 by 12 meaning if you can cancel out 5 by 6. So where is 5 by 6? This, it's meaning your question is right. Otherwise, your question is wrong. So this is all about substitution method. Next we can start what? Substitution method. What? Substitution method we can start. One more question given, sorry for that. So it's given sixth part of this. 5 year hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What is their percentage? So in this type of question, what we have to do? Let the percentage age of Jacob. I told you this type of question is what? How much year? X year. Let the present age of Jacob's son. In daughter given in that question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, 5 years hence. It's meaning after 5 years. After 5-year age of Jacob. How much? X plus 5. Present age X. So after 5 year, how much? X plus Y. After 5-year age of whose? Jacob's son. How much? Y plus 5. Understood? Yes or no? So what's the condition? This age is 3 times of it. So if I can multiply this with 3, both become equal. X plus 5 is equal to 3 into Y plus 5. What's it's become? X plus 5, 3Y plus 15. So what's it's become? X minus 3Y, X minus 3Y equal to 10. This is your equation number 1. What's your equation number 1? So next what? 5 year hence. 3 times of it. 5 year hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times of it, that of his son 5 year ago. It's meaning 5 year before. Age of Jacob. Age of Jacob 5 year before. X minus 5. Age of his son. How much? Y minus 5 year. And what's according to the question? This age is 7 times of it. If I can multiply this with 7, then both become equal. So what's X minus 5 is equal to 7 into Y minus 5. So what's it's become? X minus 5 equal to 7Y minus 35. So X minus 7Y minus 40. Sorry, plus this. So what's how much coming? 30 coming. What's coming? 30. So what's one equation is this? What's X minus 3Y is equal to 10, and another is X minus 7Y is equal to 30. So this is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. So what's your value from first? From first, X is equal to 10 plus 3Y. And now putting this value in seconds. So 10 plus 3Y minus 7Y minus 7Y is equal to what's 30. How much? 30. X minus 7Y equal to 30. X, what's value? X plus 3Y. X plus 3Y from where? This 10 plus 3Y. So what's it's become? 10. 10 take in this that side. What side? In that side. So what's it's become? 10 minus 4Y is equal to 30. X minus 3Y equal, X minus 7Y equal to 30. This one. So what's it's become? Minus 4Y is equal to 30 minus 10. How much? 20. So what's the value of Y? 20 by 4. How much? 5. Putting the value of Y where? Y equal to 5 where? Here. So what's the value of X? 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. So you can till here. After this, try to solve it. If not able to solve, I can tell. Understood? So saying let percentage of Jacob is this. So Jacob is this X minus 5, Y minus 5. Jacob age was 7 times of his son. 7. So you can solve. If not able to solve, then I can tell you. Thank you all of you.